Curls lashes from base to tip, creating a wide-awake look. Reaches every lash for an effortless curl. Sleek, ergonomic design features a smooth opening and closing action for precise performance. Thick, rounded silicone lash pads are hypoallergenic and won't crimp or stick to lashes, unlike rubber pads that can cause irritation. 3 replacement pads included. Always curl lashes before applying mascara. Open eyes wide to insert and center lashes. With curler pad placed at base of lash line, hold handles firmly and gently squeeze. Hold for a few seconds, then open curler slowly to release lashes. Repeat up the length of lash from base to tip for an even more intense curl. Clean pads after use with alcohol wipe. With daily use, we recommend replacing curler pad after 3 months and curler after 1 year. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy. I bought this for my mom. I have always found Tweezerman implements to be well made. Mom confirmed that by saying this eyelash curler wasn't flimsy, and it felt good in her hand. And the blue denim color was fun.